This is my favorite meal prep tip. Did you know that you can actually bake eggs and they taste amazing? Hi, I'm Carrie and I cannot wait to show you how to make the easiest and tastiest baked egg recipe. Now you can find the full recipe linked in the description, or you can go to our website eatingonadime.com. Now this is where we share healthy, delicious, budget-friendly recipes that will help your family save time, money, and actually enjoy the kitchen. Now before we get started, I want you to like and subscribe. We are growing our YouTube channel and we are just making this community this amazing place where we are sharing our tips and tricks on how to eat well on a budget. Now the reason I love baking eggs, listen, the ingredients are simple. You need a pan, some eggs, some salt and pepper, and some spray. That's it, and you can make 12 eggs with hardly any work. They taste great and they're great for meal prepping. I've got a big family, guys. We're busy, we're on the go, and I'm sure you are too. And this is one tip that is a life changer, because on Sunday, you can make 12 eggs, pop them in the fridge, and they're ready to go for a quick and easy breakfast. Toss them in the air fryer or a microwave, and breakfast is ready in less than 2 minutes. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then you're gonna take a 12 muffin tin and spray generously with olive oil spray or avocado oil spray. If you don't have a spray, you can actually just put olive oil in there and rub it around. But spray generously so the eggs will come right out. Then we just crack an egg into each one. Now to make this even easier, I'm gonna get another bowl just so I can put these shells into, so we have no cleanup. I call it like a garbage bowl. We're gonna crack one in every single one. Now remember, you can get the full recipe and all of our tips and tricks on how to reuse these and everything at Eating on a Dime. The link is in the description. But also in the description, you are going to find some other amazing things. We have our slow cooker cookbook that's on sale this month, linked there too, and you're gonna find everything that we use in our videos. So if you're wanting a new pan, because I don't know about yours, mine used to look pretty disgusting, you can grab the links that we recommend as well. Now I got my last one in. I want to give you a few tips. Now, I had a shell break into one. Don't put your finger in there to try to get it out. You can't get it out. The best tip is to actually use the shell. I don't understand it. I don't make the rules. It just works. But you just put that shell in and bring it up, and it's like the shell attaches to it and then it comes right out. Done. Okay, now we're not gonna like poke it and mix it up. These eggs are gonna be like cooked on the outside and runny on the inside. If you don't like that, you can cook them a little bit longer. And if you don't like them separated, you can take a fork, just jab it in and do a quick scramble, and they'll be like scrambled baked eggs. But for this recipe, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna leave them just as is. And then the last thing to do is salt and pepper each of them. There's no real measurement, it's to taste. I just do a little bit on top, and then I serve it with more salt and pepper. My little like pepper grinder broke. I need to get a new one, but I love fresh cracked pepper on top as well. And that's how easy it is to make. That's all you have to do, and we're gonna pop this in the oven. But seriously, that's it. Now, you can take this recipe and you can do more. We actually have a lot of different ideas and variations linked. It's inside the recipe on eatingonadime.com, but a few ideas: you could sprinkle in some bacon, you could top it with a little bit of cheese, you could even do some veggies. But if you really want more of like an egg muffin, we actually have some delicious recipes for that as well. And they're scrambled egg muffins, and we'll include those links in the description as well. Now we're gonna place this in the preheated oven for 9 to 12 minutes until they're cooked to your liking. So the timer went off. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes. And I just wanted to show you, they're getting nice and cooked, but the top is still a little bit uncooked. I prefer my eggs a little bit firmer, so I'm gonna let these cook for another minute or two. Okay, it's been a few minutes, about 2 minutes. And as you can see, it's gotten a little bit more white over it, and it's better for my preference of eggs, but you know, you do you. We're gonna let this sit for just a few minutes. I've let them set for about 3 to 4 minutes. We're gonna pop the eggs out. They're really easy thanks to that olive oil spray, but just take a butter knife, run it around the edges, and they should pop right out. Now, if you're wanting to meal prep these, I like to let these cool completely Then you can put them in a baggie or a container in the fridge. I love air frying these. So now your yolk will be cooked through then. So if you're wanting a runnier yolk, if you're gonna meal prep them, I would go ahead and cook them a little bit on the more runny side. So maybe only 9 minutes in the oven. And if you're gonna reheat them, but if you're gonna eat them now, they're perfect. Does that make sense? Are you with me? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so I'm gonna get a couple of these out. But just make sure if you're meal prepping these that you are letting them cool completely before you put them in the fridge. We're just gonna run the knife around the edge and then they pop right out. Now we're ready to try it out. Super easy, fork tender. You got a little bit of that run in the middle. Egg whites are perfectly cooked. So good. I told you it was easy. Now you can go make a dozen and have a healthy breakfast all week long. Remember the full recipe linked in the description below. Plus don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and turn on that notification bell because we have some amazing recipes coming your way. Thanks so much for joining me today. I love helping you. Cut. Action. Thanks so much for joining me. I love you. Join us in this community, in this kitchen, sharing these easy ideas, and I cannot wait to hear how you like them. Make sure you leave a review on the recipe and drop a comment once you make them because I want to know what you think. Now, I'm out of here, friends. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, well, I can't get it on my fork today, but remember to eat at home by eating on a dime. Bye, friends.